Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're comparing Scotia iTrade versus WealthSimple, two popular online trading platforms in 2025. Whether you're a beginner investor or an experienced trader, this breakdown will help you choose the best option for your financial goals. Let's get started. Scotia iTrade. Scotia iTrade is a full-service online brokerage that offers stocks, ETFs, options, mutual funds, and fixed income products. It's great for investors who want a wide range of investment options and access to research tools from a major Canadian bank. It also provides advanced trading tools for experienced investors. However, its fees can be higher compared to WealthSimple, especially for active traders. WealthSimple. WealthSimple is a user-friendly, commission-free trading platform designed for beginner to intermediate investors. It offers stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrency trading with no fees on trades, making it an excellent choice for those who want to start investing without paying high commissions. However, it lacks some of the advanced features and research tools that Scotia iTrade provides. Which one should you choose? Scotia iTrade is best for investors who want access to advanced trading tools, research, and a wider range of investment options. WealthSimple is ideal for beginner investors who want commission-free trading with a simple, easy-to-use platform. Which platform do you prefer? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investment insights. See you in the next one.